It was time to come up with something else. Now Annie Frank has decided that she will write on this topic that would be something different, something original. She wanted to write something original over the topic chatterbox. My friend Sane, who is at who is good at poetry, offered to help me write the essay from the beginning to end in verse. Verse means poetry. Annie Frank had a friend, her name was Sane, and Sane was very good in poetry, and she said she will help Annie Frank to write the whole matter over the chatterbox in poetry. And I jumped for joy. Annie Frank was very happy when Sane had said to her to help in writing the poem. Mr. Keesing was trying to play a joke on me with this ridiculous subject. Annie Frank knows it well that Mr. Keesing wants to make fun of Annie Frank by giving such type of useless topics to write essay. But I would make sure the joke was on him. But Annie Frank has decided that she will write something this time that will be a joke over Mr. Keesing. Mr. Keesing wanted to make fun of Annie Frank, and Annie Frank by her poem wanted to make fun of Mr. Keesing. I finished my poem and it was beautiful. And this time Annie Frank had written a poem over the chatterbox. Quack, 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 Mrs. Chatterbox. It was about a mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings who were bitten to death by the father because they quacked too much. In her poem, Annie Frank had written there was a mother duck and father swan, and they had 3 baby ducklings. The baby ducklings used to quack much, so father swan got angry over them and killed them. Luckily, Mr. Keesing took the joke the right way, and when this poem was read in the class by Mr. Keesing, by Annie Frank, then Mr. Keesing took this joke in right way, took this joke very seriously, and he read the poem to the class, adding his own comments. And when this poem was read by Annie Frank, he commented over the poem and to several other classes as well. And he took the note from the Annie Frank and he read that poem in other classes also. And since then, I have been allowed to talk and haven't been assigned any extra homework. And Mr. Keesing was much ashamed, and then he took the poem in a positive way and he allowed to Annie Frank to talk as much as she could in the class. And since that time he did not give her any extra homework. On the contrary means just on the other hand, just opposite to that. Mr. Keesing always making jokes these days. And now when Annie Frank was busy in talking in his class, Mr. Keesing did not punish her, but he used to make jokes these days. Thus, the line-wise explanation of the chapter from the diary of Annie Frank is completed.